Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable automatically fulfilled order line items on your Shopify store. Now you may be wondering, what is this? Now this is basically a feature that allows you, whenever a customer purchases a service or a product, it will mark it automatically as fulfilled. And some of the best examples that I can give to you when you will want to use this is when you sell, for example, digital products, or you have some kind of a pre-order service or partially full service or in-house fulfillment, something like that, fulfillment services. These are some of the best options to actually use this. But in general, I would say for me, from personal experience, I use this whenever I sell any kind of digital products or digital services, right? So you know that the customer will, once they pay, they will automatically get this product right away. And you can just easily mark that as fulfilled or complete, right? So how do you enable this option? Once you're inside your Shopify store, simply go ahead and click on settings on the lower left hand side, and that's going to take you under your settings under the generals tab. So you want to scroll down under this general section right here, and you will find a section for order processing. And here you will see where it says automatically fulfill the order line item. You want to go ahead and turn this on. Now, by default, you have this turned off, as it basically will have the not fulfilled. So you can turn this on, and then you have two options, right? Notify customer of their shipment or product that was delivered, or just automatically fulfill all orders, even those that are high risk or fraud, right? So you can choose this option if you want. Now, if you're sure that you're really selling like those digital products and there's no problem, you can go ahead and check these boxes, right? That's how you can easily go ahead and turn on this feature. Now, if you want to have full control, of course, you want to go ahead and just leave it like this. But for digital products, to be honest, it's not necessary to have to worry about that. You can turn on this feature. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.